Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate product listings with Amazon easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate product listings with Amazon, start by setting up your Amazon Seller Central account. Log into your Amazon Seller Central dashboard. Navigate to the Inventory tab to access product listing options. Select Add a Product to begin the automation process. If you're listing multiple products, consider using the Amazon Marketplace Web Service, or MWS. Create an MWS account by logging into your Seller Central and going to the MWS section. Once registered, generate your MWS auth token and keep it secure. Next, choose a product management tool that integrates with MWS. Popular options include Sellbrite, Channel Advisor, or Shopify. Install your chosen product management tool and connect it to your Amazon account using the MWS auth token. Prepare your product data by gathering essential details such as SKU, title, description, price, and images. Format your product data according to the requirements of the product management tool. Upload your formatted product data to the management tool. Configure any automation settings that the tool offers, like inventory sync and repricing rules. Review the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once satisfied, initiate the automation process in the tool. Monitor the initial product listings to ensure they appear correctly on Amazon. Regularly check for any errors or notifications from Amazon. Adjust your listings as necessary based on performance analytics from the tool. Continue to optimize your listings over time for better visibility and sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.